I just said to my Russian friend Dennis SBO. My Russian friend Dennis SBO had said to me, even Jerick Silva, also my good friend, they're telling Paulo Cruzada to stop promoting terrorism. Oh, that is my New Year resolution warning to him. Do not promote. Because, just like the time, Paulo Cruzada last year, your parents are you're being scolded. Or you are being scolded by your mother. Your mother had said to you to stop promoting terrorism. However, if you promote terrorism in Messenger and Facebook, do not promote terrorism because Paulo Cruzada, your family members, even your relatives, even your cousins are getting angry at you. Why you promote terrorism in Messenger and Facebook? Oh, just like that. For me, you should not compare like me, Paulo Cruzada. Like for example, me last 2022, when I told to Denzel Joshua what really happened in 2022. I've been 3 years in hiatus on Facebook for what I did to David Gill and his family members, even Mr. Dennis Gill and Mrs. Annie Gill. I bully David Gill and his family members. Oh, and what did I did to them? I promote terrorism in Messenger and Facebook. Oh, and suddenly I never want to promote terrorism. All right, because I don't want to get me in trouble. When David Gill dad said to me, oh, his father, Mr. Dennis Gill, had told me terrorism is not really knowledge. Oh, and I deal with David Gill. Paulo Cruzada, do not force Wawel Romero become an ISIS fighter. Wawel is not a Muslim. Wawel, she is not Sunni, Wahhabist, and etc. Oh, my New Year resolution to you, Paulo Cruzada, just leave Wawel Romero alone. Just stop forcing her. I'm being myself Antonio Sedorio into this. And I say, why are you forcing Wawel Romero to become an ISIS? When you brainwash Wawel to attack Jerick Silva, this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. Do not blame Wawel Romero. Do not blame um, um, anyone. Oh, Wawel Romero claims you. That is your fault. Kasalanan mo yan, Paulo Cruzada. That is your fault. Do not blame anyone that you are blaming to someone or somebody. Oh, like me, this is my fault for what I did to David Gill. Oh, because I promote terrorism. I didn't listen to my Russian friend, Dennis SBO. I didn't listen to Mr. Dennis Gill. I didn't listen to David Gill as well. Even I didn't listen to Roydan Marlang. Oh, I know I'm the one who promote terrorism in social media like Messenger and Facebook. That is my fault. Oh, I know this is my fault. I've been 3 years in hiatus on Facebook. I attacked the Church of Santa Maria de la Estrada. Oh, and I make a fake account of Larry Chuanico that I terrorize the church and I promote terrorism like ISIS. Oh, do you want to be really happen to you, Paulo Cruzada, for what you realize and what 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 is really happened to me? Oh, do you want to be happen to me, Paulo Cruzada? You know, my warning to you, Paulo Cruzada, like I said to you, do not promote terrorism. Since without Roylan Marlang, there's my Russian friend, Dennis SBO, there is J. Rick Silva, since without Roylan Marlang and David Gill, and since without Teacher Lendel or Teacher Chin Busmante, they were not teaching there in CDIFI. Do not promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Since without my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio, she was not there in CDIFI. She is no longer teaching there in CDIFI. Is this what you like, to promote terrorism? Is this what you like to promote? Teacher May Tiburcio was very angry at you. You know, when she read in group chat, even Teacher Marisa, even my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Teacher Marisa says, bakit ka nag-promote ng terrorismo, Paulo Cruzada? And Teacher Marisa explains what you realize. You're the one who promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Look at Aton, Comentador. Look at Kyle Castro. Did they promote terrorism in Facebook or in Messenger? No. They didn't promote. Even Ibet, Crystal Dulce Jurado, even Barbara, even my close friend Jens Manaid, even his family members, they are not promoting terrorism. Jens never promote terrorism in Messenger, even in Facebook. Jens is promoting gadgets. What he was to requested me to buy, for example, cell phone. Jens wants to buy PS4. Jens wants to buy a PS5. That's what he requested me. Jens is promoting gadgets, what he want to wish to buy. Jens is not promoting terrorism. He's not promoting terrorism in social media. He's not promoting. Jens is promoting gadgets. What I just told to him, what I realized to him, that I say to Jens, he wants to buy gadgets. That was his promotion in social media like Facebook and Messenger. Jens is promoting gadgets for his birthday or Christmas gift. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, do not promote terrorism. Do not promote terrorism because you don't know about bomb joke. There's a bomb joke law or anti-bomb joke law. I was mentioned by John Paul Enriquez that Presidential Decree 1727, there was an anti-terror law that was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. When you promote terrorism, when you promote a bomb joke, Paulo Cruzada, you should be in the mental hospital. And then you will get someone from barangay. Because I know Joseph Maspinas, his uncle, he was there in barangay in Quezon City. They want to realize that Joseph Maspinas has posted the evidence for what Paulo Cruzada did to Joseph Maspinas. And Joseph Maspinas had said the evidence to Paulo Cruzada, to the barangay, or what he's saying. Or for example, what you're saying sa Bugin-Kong Double City at Metro Manila, you still mention about Moscow, Russia, you still mention about Beijing, China. even Pyongyang, North Korea, Tehran, Iran, even Frankfurt and Stuttgart, Germany, even Osaka, Nagoya, Tokyo, Japan. At least he did not mention Fukuoka. And you make a bomb joke every elsewhere you're saying about bomb threats. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, do not promote terrorism. Since without Roylan, Marlang, oh, when Roylan was not there, when there is J. Rick Silva, when there is my Russian friend Dennis SBO, even Shania Kiana, oh, even your parents also who were watching at you, and I said, do not spread the bomb joke and bomb threat, Paulo Cruzada. Your family had sacrificed to you, even your relatives, even your cousins, even your mother. Your mother told Shania Kiana, my son is a special child. You're a special child, Paulo Cruzada. And you know, as being a special, we never promote terrorism. Alright? You know, we're not promoting terrorism in Facebook and Messenger. Just like I said, oh, when Mr. Dennis Gill had told me, oh, terrorism is not really knowledge.